Hello and welcome to another Trading 212 portfolio update where I'm going to be running through how the stocks have gone in the week, and it has been another shocker of a week, to be quite honest. The stock portfolio is only worth a 2.5% increase now from the heights of when it was worth around, I think, 10%, 11% at one point, 10% there. It's now only worth a measly 2.5%. It's over the last few weeks and months, it's not been great, I won't lie. It's been very, very poor. The only time it's really increased is when I've put money into it. But anyway, let's run through the stocks individually. 3M was worth 67.75 in the last video. It's worth 64.80 now, a decrease around £3. It's not had the best week since I've recorded. It was about 9 days since the last video, so it's gone down 10%. Nothing more to be said. It's not very good. I'm hoping it will come good soon, 3M, because it's just had a bit of a dip. So it's pretty much the same with all of them. They're all dipping at the moment, which is why the value isn't very good. But I'm hoping that will mean it will start to increase soon, hopefully. AbbVie has gone up £2 since the last video. It's worth 86.36 now. A 25% increase, which I'm rather happy with, to be honest. It's gone up. I won't show it, but no, it's not showing it. But yeah, it has gone up in the week, so I'm happy with that. 25% increase, can't moan. Airbnb has actually gone up as well since the last video by £5, which is probably the biggest increase of every single stock, which I'm very happy with because I've said in the last about 3-4 videos that I do think this will increase soon, with especially now as in England the COVID restrictions are being lifted completely next month. So I do think that Airbnb will start to rise again. So yeah, happy with that, and hopefully that will continue to increase as well. As you can see, it's got nowhere near to go until the heights of around $206, so it's still got room to manoeuvre. Altria has gone down by 29p since the last video, so nothing too drastic in the week. It's gone up by about 1%. Like I said, it's been 10 days, 9 days, so nothing really to say about that. Apple down as well. It was 82.17. It's now 78.79. Altria there. Tiny bit of a dip, tiny bit. So I'm hoping that will start to rise again and continue that trend that it does, where it just goes steadily up over a long period of time. It's not showing, but like I say, it has dipped a little bit. So hopefully a rise is coming soon. Clorox is the biggest decrease of them all, down 13%. I was actually in profit on Clorox in the last video, and now down 13%. So that just shows you the week it's had, down 19%. As you can see here, it just absolutely dipped from the Thursday to the Friday. It went from 165 to 141. Very slightly increasing again, but it's got a long way to go to get back to green, which I'm quite disappointed in. So 13% down on that. Enbridge, very slight increase of around £1. In 10% profit on Enbridge, which I'm happy with, because that's got a fat dividend as well. So cannot complain about a stock that is in profit and gives you money. Fifth, I'm up £3 in fifth. It says I'm down. Oh no, it says I'm up in the week. I was up quite a bit more than that. But as you can see, the dip here, it went from around $49 to around 48, so down $1. But hopefully that'll increase soon. Huntington Bank shares, very steady week. It's worth 71.22 in the last one, so it's up 40p. Nothing too drastic. It's again, I was up more, and it's just taken a big dip. I'm really hoping that this portfolio will start to increase soon, because, like I say, it's gone around an 8% decrease in the last month, which isn't for good reading. Huntington Ingalls is down by about £2, down 7% overall. Quite disappointed with that, but yeah, it's a very steady stock, so I'm hoping it'll rise soon. S&P 500 down again by about £1.90. I'm really disappointed in the S&P 500 recently. It's really been stubborn. It's not increasing at all. And I remember banging on about being 8% up on it, 10% up on it, and saying that it was good because you should get that in a year. And then it dropped all the way down. So yeah, it's been quite stubborn. So I'm hoping it'll go up. Johnson and Johnson back in the red after again banging on about finally getting in the green with it, back in the red, only by 20p. So I'm hoping next week that will go back up. But yeah, as you can see, look at that decrease. It's just, yeah, there's been a steady fall since the last video. JP Morgan is actually up by around £1. Again, that's a stubborn stock. I've not been in the green in JP Morgan for a very, very long time. I don't actually think I might have been in the green at all since I've bought it. No, probably not. But yeah, it's starting to increase a little bit, so hopefully that will continue. Microsoft, I think I'm down. Yeah, I'm down £4 with Microsoft. Again, back in the green. Was going on about how it was. Back in the red. I was going on about how I was in the green, and that has come to bite me in the arse. But yeah, back in the red. But it's such a reliable stock that I'm not bothered about Johnson and Johnson and Microsoft because I know they'll go up eventually. Pfizer, is down £5 from the last video. Nothing more to say on that one. It's had an okay day today, but yeah, that's the reason I bought it, because it's dropped massively from its highs to around $50. So hopefully it will increase again. Tesla down by £5. Never going to sell Tesla. So yeah, hopefully that'll increase again soon. But I remember it being at $1,000 a couple of months ago, and it boomed massively, and now it's dropped back down again. But the thing is with Tesla, if it wants to boom, it will boom. So not worried about that. US Bancorp down £2. Not a terrible week. Not a good week, but not a terrible week. Could be worse. Down around 1%. S&P 500 was worth $84.92 in the last video, but I've invested money into both of these Vanguard ones, so I'm actually down on it, on both of them. Yeah, it's down around 3%. Same with the ETF. I invested, I think, £5 or something in it, or I don't know, £5-10, and yeah, they've both gone up since the last video, but their actual value in terms of gains and losses is a loss. So yeah, I'm hoping that they will start to rise soon, because ETFs tend to be very steady. Well, they should be steady. They're guaranteed. So yeah, they'll go up soon. And Verizon, I'm down £1. Probably just less than £1. It's been a very steady week. So that's the portfolio. I'll just show you my dividends. I've been paid a little bit since the last video. I've received a 9p dividend from Apple. That's gone up every single time now. I've got a 7p one the first time, an 8p one the second time, and now I've just got a 9p one. So very steady rises. And yeah, I think we've seen the rest of them. So I'm nearly at £10 on dividends now, which is good. And they will start to steadily keep increasing. So that's the portfolio. I hope you enjoyed, and hopefully in the next video it will be a little bit better than this, and I'll see you then.